Happy St. Patrick's Day! So, it's St. Patrick's Day and we will make a St. Patrick's Day mead. So that means a green mead. You remember maybe one of my shorts in the Philippines was this honey. 100% pure green honey. It don't go. Okay, I will make a picture here. So, I buy green honey, you can see in a moment how green it is. And I thought, perfect for St. Patrick's mead. We make it just simple, we start simple. I have some ideas. This is just the first part. The second part came after St. Patrick's Day. But I wanted to drink it next year at the St. Patrick's Day. So, let's start it. First of all, our clean fermenter. Everything is sanitized today with alcohol-based sanitizer. We have here in Germany, it's normally used by home brewers for beer and for big kitchens. I put our scale already on 0. We need to use it. I buy a lot of glasses. They're not cheap. This one, for example, just 250 milliliters is 380 pesos. So it means, wait, 60. Okay. Oh, it seals well. Because here is still some paper left. Okay, it's open. Let's see. Here you can see how green it is. You can see how green it is. This honey has it's a little bit more sour than the honey we know normally. That's why black tea is really important. I already prepare it. We have now 330 grams. This honey is green because the bees getting the liquid from the bamboo. That's why it's green. They get the liquid from the green bamboo. It's already 500 grams. One more. And maybe one small is enough, I don't know. Okay, it's really good sealed. It's a really nice green. Hopefully it's become a really perfect St. Patrick's Day mead. For this mead I have some ideas. Of course, when I'm thinking of St. Patrick's Day, end of Ireland, I'm thinking automatically on whiskey. I wanted to put, when its fermentation is done, I want to mix a little bit whiskey inside, one of my more smoked whiskey. So, of course, you can taste it then. Let's see that we can put now a little bit of the liquid here, so we get cleaning the containers first before we open one more. Because we already have 845. Okay. More of the green stuff. A little bit more I can put. When you wonder now how you can calculate now your scale, of course I will put more all the liquid inside and then I know it's 1 kilo. But first of all, let's see that we can clean the glass as well. We have now 889, so we just need 100 grams. For this I have this one. This is the one I already taste. Let's see that we get just, maybe we'll get a little bit more. So we have now 1.023 kilogram. And I will clean this, and one is left, I can eat it. Perfect. Okay, I will get some more water to clean this one. So I put 1/2 liter here. Yes, it's green. So, and let's put the last 1/2 liter. We have now a little bit more than 1 kilo of honey. Or exactly 900 milliliter. So, I have my stopper. And now we need to check. See how green it is? Okay, it's a little bit more mud green, but it's a green. I think it's the best green we can get.
One eternity later.
So we need more water. Let's put half liter more water inside. Perfect. Now it looks good and we will check it again. Let's see if we can get some out to find out what the gravity is. That's a nice green. I think we put a little bit more water. We put 100 milliliter more water. Of course we need to check it again because the gravity was 1.120. It's for me a little bit high. Let's see what we have now. Okay, it's better. Okay, more. Maybe next time I don't use 900 milliliter because I know normally 1 kilo honey have 750 milliliter. Okay, I check it again. It's a nice green color. Perfect, 1.110. I know our yeast can handle it. Again, Old Polish mead yeast for Irish mead with Filipino honey. Okay, let's get 1.5 teaspoons. I just wanted to be sure it can ferment it. Clean the funnel. It's really nice green color. So one more checking. The airlock. I need to put cheap alcohol and then I'm done. And if you like this video and want to know what's happened to this brew, give first a thumbs up, of course, then let there a subscribe if you don't have, and of course the bell icon, then you know every time I upload a video, normally once a week. And here are 2 more videos. One YouTube thing you will like, the other one is my last video, and we will see what's happened to this. Like I said, I will put whiskey to it a little bit and maybe we'll oak it, but that we will see in the future. We see us the next time. Bye.